everyone's having a great day. It's a beautiful Saturday. Actually, it's hot here, but it's not as hot as it has been, but it's still summer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a paint stand. Not just your little paint stand that you paint on. It's a paint stand that I thought you'd see me use mine, but this is why I decided to make a new one. This one's been used just a little bit. I think this is probably about a year old. I've probably got a few hundred layers of paint on here. My old Lazy Susan isn't much better until I sand it down. And I think I'll take you along the ride and show you how I do it. What you start out with is a Lazy Susan. This one's been redone. I redid this. Nice and smooth. I sanded all the junk off it. Take this, and I'm gonna use another board. Now this is a can of quick dry lacquer. Cheap. It was just a cheap thing at Walmart. But let me show you what this does. You stay the same distance away, right about here, and you can turn any way you want. Right here, get that edge. Right here, turn that way, get that edge. Turn here, get that edge. Finally turn here, get that edge, and get to the top, and you're done. See, I didn't have to walk around the piece. This will save you a lot of time. And if you're like me, time gets away from you. And time is what? Time is money. And I can't afford to waste money, and I can't afford to waste time.